Hey guys, John Pruitt with Addison Riley. Find us on Addison Riley LLC on Facebook, addisonriley.com, and 776-5009. We're here off Scenic Highway in Pensacola, and we are doing a bathroom remodel. And this is going to be a good one to show you because it's nice and tight, which a lot of you probably have had in these 1980s homes. They like to put walls everywhere. So what we're going to do is take this, we're going to update it, and make a few changes that you might like as well. Let me tell you what those are. First off, we have this big giant garden tub taking up a lot of real estate. So we're actually going to keep the same kind of area that's going to take a lot of real estate, but we're going to remove the tub. Then we're going to move this guy, this toilet, over here. And we're going to build walls. So it has an appropriate water closet. A lot of homes today have the toilet inside a separate room, and that's what we call a water closet. The shower here is obviously dated, and it has this old cultured marble wall enclosure or surround, with the pan. We're going to take it out. We're going to put in a mud bed along with the tile on the floor and the tile on the walls, and we'll put in some niches. Now, with all that said, we're going to have a lot of plumbing work. Thankfully, we're not on concrete, which means we don't have to jackhammer the slab. We're going to cut up the subfloor. We're going to move the plumbing around. Then we're going to cover it up with a new subfloor. Then we're going to put a waterproof membrane on it. Then we're going to thin set our cement board down and then put the tile on. And that's the appropriate way to do it. That way your tile doesn't crack when you're off grade on a wood floor. Lastly, what we'll do is obviously changing out the trim and the doors, but this big giant 7-foot vanity is going to go away. We're going to put 2 sinks in it just like they are, but instead of having those drawer boxes in the middle, we're going to put a makeup station in. So the lady of the home can have a nice place to do her makeup, have the nice lighting, redo the mirrors, the fixtures, all that jazz, and it's going to look really good, really modern. If you have a 1980s home, this might be something that you can do in yours. So give us a call at 776-5009, facebook.com at Addison Riley LLC or addisonriley.com.